In this video, I'm gonna show you guys my secret mining lab. This is the secret mining lab, guys. I got few coins I'm mining right now in the process. And yeah. So in this video, I'm gonna go through the process of what it takes to make 1 KDA passively mining the crypto coin. Now, there's two options of you achieving this coin. You could either buy the coin, or you can mine the coin, or you can day trade other coins and then get them coins. So actually, there's multiple ways of how to get them coins. But over here, we got the Cadena boxes. We got the KD box Pro. We got another KD box Pro. And then we have a regular KD box. So in total, we're hashing with I think with 6.6 terahashes of hashing power. And all right, so I just took my KDA wallet address on the Pool Flare exchange, and as you can see, them 3 boxes is giving me a total of 6.6 terahashes as far as mining power. So for me to get more, I gotta get more machines. Now we're gonna go over to eBay, one of my most trusted sources. The only reason being is because I can talk to the eBay seller, ask him questions. How long you ran it? Does it still work? You know, and they usually give me their feedback right away, and I could get a feel for them. You know, some people out there could be sketchy. So ask him a couple of questions. If they reply promptly, look at their feedback, most likely they're a good seller. So you go on eBay, try to, you know, either dollar cost average on your machines, whether if it's by price or getting different supplies. But and also take a note that a lot of the times these machines don't come with power supplies, so the price you might be seeing is most likely with no power supply. So just keep that in back of your mind. They make them in different sizes. The bigger ones obviously cost more money, and they also pull more electricity. But if you run these machines on solar power, solar panels, then the electricity is a lot cheaper, almost sometimes free. So therefore, you'll be mining crypto for free. So then you become your own digital bank, and you stack these coins in your favorite crypto exchange, or you could save it to your own private wallet. But either way, once you produce the coins, you own them, they're yours. So yeah, that's about it. So eBay is one of the places I go. I buy these rigs. I buy them. You know, you can compound. If you're hashing away and you're mining so many coins, you can get a new machine with the coins that you produce, and you sell them. You buy another one, and then you can, you know, compound your hashing rate. Look, this is a bigger one, but note the seller's on vacation and won't be shipping until the end of July. Those are things you all gotta take into perspective, because if you just go buy and then the person's not gonna ship 2 weeks later, therefore your return on your investment is gonna be a lot further out. So keep that in mind. Where they shipping from? Are they in California? Are they shipping from Florida? Are they shipping from Texas? Figure out where they're shipping from. That's also very crucial, guys. So right now we're hashing with 3 Cadena boxes, 2 pros and 1 regular one, and we're getting a total of 6.6 terahashes, which at the end of the day, them 3 boxes don't even give me 1 Cadena. I'm getting roughly 0.89 KDA per day with them 3 boxes. So it's fair to say that I might need like maybe 1 more terahash of mining power, and then I'll be able to get that 1 KDA. So if this information is useful for you guys, make sure you hit a subscribe button, hit a like, so that next time when I do updates like this on KDA, you guys will be able to see my videos first. If you guys have any questions, drop them down below in the comment section or in any other videos that is pertaining to crypto mining sort of deal, guys. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Razi grows. Hold on, it's dangerous in here. It's dangerous. Woo!